Sometimes, exploring different local AI tools can completely shift how you work with large language models. And that's where comparing Ollama and LM Studio becomes interesting. Ollama is built to streamline running and managing LLMs locally with minimal setup. It provides a command line interface where you can download, run, and switch between models with simple commands. One of its main selling points is how it handles model packaging. Ollama uses its own format to bundle models and their configuration, so you don't have to worry about manual installations. This makes it very convenient if you want to test multiple models quickly or run inference without dealing with a lot of technical overhead. Because it's designed with developers in mind, you can also integrate it into scripts or back-end systems to create custom AI-powered tools without relying on cloud APIs. LM Studio, on the other hand, offers a more graphical, desktop-focused environment. It's meant for people who want to run open-source LLMs locally, but prefer a visual interface rather than a command line one. In LM Studio, you can browse models, download them, run chats, and tweak settings like context size or GPU usage, all from a clean window. This makes it approachable for non-developers or anyone who just wants to experiment with local models without learning CLI commands. LM Studio often includes features like automatic updates, prompt history, and easy switching between models, which gives it a feel closer to a desktop app than a developer tool. Both Ollama and LM Studio support running models locally, keeping your data private and avoiding usage limits tied to cloud providers. However, Ollama leans toward a developer-friendly, automation-ready environment, while LM Studio leans toward a user-friendly, GUI-driven experience. Your choice will depend on whether you want to script and integrate models programmatically or simply interact with them through an intuitive interface. By weighing how comfortable you are with command line tools versus graphical dashboards, and whether you plan to embed models into workflows or just chat with them locally, you can decide whether Ollama's streamlined CLI approach or LM Studio's visual interface better suits your needs for experimenting with and deploying LLMs on your own hardware.